Renewing your skin can revitalize your life. Imagine your friends telling you you look younger, thinner, or more beautiful. They might even ask if you've been doing something different because you look obviously refreshed and revitalized. A question like that would certainly brighten your day, wouldn't it? We all need compliments to make us feel good about ourselves. Well, look no further. Our practice has the latest, most advanced technology for making your dream a reality, and it's never been easier. It's Elos Skin Renewal featuring light and laser treatment. Elos technology features a unique combination of bipolar radio frequency and light to renew and stimulate the skin. Using gentle pulses of 2 targeted energies means better results with lower overall energy, assuring the highest level of safety and comfort. With Elos technology, the art of creating beautiful skin is now virtually pain-free, requires little or no downtime, produces fast results, and continues to improve the overall look and feel of your skin long after treatments. This new and exciting technology can treat wrinkles, fine lines, brown spots, and red spots. Our Elos photofacial procedures are appropriate for all skin types. We can treat large areas of sun-damaged and aging skin on the face or body, or we can focus specifically on problem-wrinkled areas around the eyes, mouth, or jowls. Elos Skin Renewal provides a total aesthetic solution, combining safe procedures with maximum effectiveness. Beautiful skin should include excellent luminosity, reflecting light and giving you a youthful glow that's silky to the touch. Don't be content with the way you've always been, or resign yourself to the misconception that it's too late to change. Dramatic results are within your reach with Elos Photofacial and Wrinkle Reduction Treatment, and it's never been simpler, faster, or safer. Renew your confidence by renewing your skin and revitalize your life today. Ask your doctor if Elos Skin Renewal is your answer.